Department at 940-349-1600. News media point of contact is Corinth Police Department at 940-279-1503. This is your NOAA weather radio station.
30+ years of marriage, I finally got her to use a daily moisturizer. It just launched this year in February. It was only in a value of the day. You couldn't get it separately. It's
turning point. Don't forget to look back and be filled.
health, treatment, anti-aging, and SPF in one.
We never did these together. Of course, this is like literally.
There is something about a handwritten letter that carries a weight.
Thank you for saying so much. But it's so important we don't use chemical SPF. Please don't do that. It's really
nothing like that.
So I just wanted to make non-chemical SPF, but make it super beneficial in other ways. So.
Well, if you got the money, plastic barrier.
Tomorrow, 222, they're finding guns. That thing's pretty old.
Department is searching for Angie Carrasco, a Hispanic female, 12 years old, 5 feet 1 inch, 120 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing a known-color t-shirt, black shorts, Croc-style shoes. Police are looking for an unknown suspect in connection with her disappearance. The suspect is driving a silver dual model Chevrolet with unknown license plate. The suspect was last heard from in Corinth, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Corinth Police Department at 940-349-1600. News media point of contact is Corinth Police Department at 940-279-1503.